Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix audio problem in Discord. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If you're experiencing audio problems in Discord, such as issues with voice chat, microphone, or sound quality, you can try the following troubleshooting steps. So the first method would be ensure that your PC's audio settings output are correct. Test your speakers or headphones with other applications to verify they are working correctly. Next method, open Discord and go to user settings, the gear icon, voice and video. Verify that the correct input device, microphone, and output device speakers or headphones are selected. You can also choose the default. Also, check the volume settings. Another method, close Discord completely and reopen it. A simple restart can often resolve temporary audio issues. Another method, ensure that you are using the latest version of Discord. Check for updates in Discord app or download the latest version from the official website. Another method, a slow or unstable internet connection can lead to audio problems in Discord. Make sure you have a stable and high-speed internet connection. Next method, sometimes issues with Discord's servers can affect audio. Check Discord status page or community forums to see if there are any ongoing server problems. Next method, if you're experiencing lag or audio quality issues, try changing the voice channel region. Go to Discord, then go to a server, then choose your voice channel, then click on Edit Channel. Scroll down to find Region Overdrive, then choose your preferred region. Another method, in Discord settings, go to Voice and Video and disable the Enable Quality of Service High Packet Priority option. This might help if you're experiencing audio lag. Next method, ensure that your PC's audio drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your PC or sound card manufacturer to download and install the latest drivers. Next method, in Discord settings, go to Voice on Video, scroll all the way to the bottom, and click on Reset Voice Settings. This will reset all voice settings to their default values. Another method, if you're using the Discord desktop application, try using the web version to see if the issue persists. This can help identify whether the problem is specific to the app. And lastly, if none of the above steps work, consider installing and reinstalling Discord. Make sure to back up any important data or settings before installing. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.